Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel. Trust everyone is doing great today. So in today's menu, I will share with you how to make homemade spring rolls. This is the simple and easiest way to make your spring roll, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Alright, so in here I have cabbage, carrots, green chili pepper, onion, and also scallion or spring onion. Okay, all right, so moving forward, I'm going to chop the protein that I'm going to use, and I'm using chicken breast, so I'm going to chop it into a very smaller pieces. All right, so this is perfect for me, and I'll go ahead and heat up my pan. So in the pan, I'll also go in with vegetables oil. After that, I'll also go in with the meat of the chicken. Guys, this is going to taste delicious. These are garlic and ginger, okay? So I'm going to add it together. At the end of the day, it's going to be watery, but don't worry, I will show you what you're going to do. Also go in with some salt. Just a little bit. Then stir everything together. At this point, the chicken is okay, so I'm going to be adding the vegetables, and I'll add all at once. Okay, this won't take 10 minutes. No, I'm going to add all. Whilst that is going on, let me take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers and supporters. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel from day one till now. I really appreciate it so much. May God bless you. All right, so at this point, I'm going to also add a little bit of dark soya sauce. This is going to, add up additional flavor together with the sesame oil, guys. It's a bomb. Just try it. Everything needs to be little bit, not too much, otherwise you ruin your spring roll taste. Yeah. Sesame oil, okay? This is optional, totally optional. No water in it, and that's exactly how it should be. Filling is set and ready. It's done. Okay, so here I'm going to create a very nice batter for the spring roll sheet. Okay, so in the bowl I have plain flour and also salty taste, and I will go in with water, but the water I would like to make it bit by bit because I don't want to ruin the texture. I need to have that batter not too light and not too thick as well. So that's the important way you should add your water bit by bit until you have the perfect texture that you are looking for. Sorry. All right, so it's still thick, so I'm going in with a bit of water again to make it the way I want it. Okay, so this is perfect for me. So now I'll go ahead and heat up my pan, but you don't have to higher the fire. The fire is supposed to be on the medium heat, otherwise it will be dry quickly. There we go. This is how you should do it. You have to brush it around or circle inside the pan just like this. Let me demonstrate this to you again. It's just the way we make our pancakes, but this time around you just use brush instead of pouring the butter inside. But you can also do it just like that. If the butter is a bit lighter, you just have to scoop a little bit and pour it into the pan, just the way we do pancakes, and voila, you are done. All right, so now look at the sheet. It looks so beautiful and soft. I have about 16 or 17 pieces with that small batter that I created. So guys, I cover it, and now it's time for me to roll the spring roll. This is how it is. You just put a bit of your filling inside, then you roll it. That's it. Then you are good to go. All right, so our spring roll is set and ready to fry. So guys, I'm going to fry this spring roll until it's crispy before I can take them out from the oil. So right now my oil is already on fire, and I'm going to make sure the oil is hot enough before putting the spring roll inside. Alright, so if you're watching the video till now and you are not subscribing to the channel, what are you waiting for, darling? Please kindly subscribe to the channel, share my videos to your loved ones so that they will also watch my videos. And also don't forget to like and comment, and also click the bell notification button so that anytime I upload on YouTube, you are going to be the first to watch my videos. Thank you so much for doing so. God bless you. All right, look at the spring rolls, guys. They look so gorgeous, and I'm so happy about it. I hope you guys are going to try your own spring roll at home. This is original homemade spring rolls from scratch, and I really appreciate you guys for watching the video till now. I will meet you with another beautiful video, guys. Until then, stay cool, stay calm, and stay blessed wherever you are. I really appreciate your support. Bye bye.